We'll guide you through how to make viral videos with Sora AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to create viral-style videos using Sora AI with simple prompts. Many content creators aim to produce eye-catching visuals for social media, branding, or promotions. This guide helps them understand how to turn creative ideas into engaging AI-generated videos quickly and easily. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser opens, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top, so you can type a website address. Next, type Sora.chatgpt.com carefully into the address bar, so you can access the official website of Sora AI. After typing the address correctly, press Enter on your keyboard to begin loading the website. Once finished, you'll automatically be logged into Sora AI. Click Login in the top right corner to begin the authentication process. When the login page appears, click Login again to proceed to the account entry form. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure the address is typed correctly so the system can recognize your account. Then, click Continue to move to the next step. On the following screen, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid typing errors that could prevent successful access. After entering your password, click Continue to log in. Once the login process is completed successfully, you will automatically be taken to the main Sora AI page where your projects and media are stored. After reaching the main interface, click the image at the bottom to open the media creation options. Inside this section, click Video to switch from image generation to video creation mode. Once the video option is selected, enter the viral video promo that you want to make, for example, a stunning European female model walking confidently on a fashion runway. After entering the prompt, click the up arrow icon to start creating the video. The system will begin processing your request and generating the visual content based on your description. Wait a moment while the AI completes the creation process. Once finished, click play to view the results and watch the AI-generated storytelling video created from your prompt in Sora AI.